Hi Mama, welcome back. Today, I'll guide you through how to use a breast pump safely and comfortably. Before you begin, wash your hands with soap and water. Make sure all breast pump parts are clean, dry, and correctly assembled. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit. Relax your shoulders and take a few deep breaths. Feeling calm can help milk flow more easily. Position the breast shield over your breast so it fits comfortably and centers the nipple. A proper fit helps prevent discomfort and improves milk expression. If you're using a manual pump, gently press and release the handle in a slow, steady rhythm. If you're using an electric pump, start with a low suction setting and increase gradually to a level that feels comfortable, not painful. Pump for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until milk flow slows down. You may switch sides or pump both sides depending on your pump type. When finished, turn off the pump before removing the breast shield. Carefully pour the expressed milk into a clean storage container and label it with the date and time. Disassemble the pump parts and clean them immediately after use to keep everything hygienic. Remember, pumping should never hurt. If you feel pain or discomfort, stop and adjust the settings or fit. Thanks for watching, Mama.